Salam doston, hi there friends, welcome back. My name is Hussein. You are watching 500 most common words and phrases video series, and this is week 21, and we'll start with the word cafe. قهوخونه. 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 Qahwa itself means coffee and khona is a house, so it's like a coffee house. قهوخونه. I used to be a waiter in this cafe. Man dar in qahvaxona peshxizmat budam. Man dar in qahvaxona peshxizmat budam. And if you want to learn more about cafe and how to order coffee, we have a video about that. You can find a link in the description box. Library. Kitobkhona. 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 Kitob is a book, khona is a house, again. So I need to return this book to the library. Man boyad in kitabro ba kitabkhona bargardonam. Man boyad in kitabro ba kitabkhona bargardonam. Supermarket. Mағоза. 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 Mағоза also means a shop. So the word supermarket in Russian is supermarket. That's why some people prefer to say supermarket instead of mағоза when they go to the supermarket. Okay? He goes to the supermarket every week. Вай har hafta ba mағоза меравад. Вай har hafta ba mағоза меравад. Bakery. Nonvойхона. 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 And the word non here, non means bread. Okay? That's the type of bread we use here in Tajikistan. So if you want to find some sweet stuff like in normal bakery, you cannot find it in nonvойхона because in nonvойхона they only sell bread. So that's why you should look for мағозаи қаннодӣ. That's the place where you can find some sweet stuff. So nonvойхона, okay? She opened a new bakery. Вай nonvойхонаи нав шуд. Вай nonvойхонаи нав шуд. Bank. Бонк. 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 So is the bank open? Бонк кушодаст. Бонк кушодаст. And in Khojand, in the northern dialect, we say бонк кушодагими. Бонк кушодагими. And me at the end, it shows that that's a question. Бонк кушодагими. Pharmacy. Дорухона. 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 And doru means medicine. Khona, as you know, is a house. So дорухона. Where is the closest pharmacy? Наздиктарин дорухона дар куҷост? Наздиктарин дорухона дар куҷост? Cinema. Синамо. 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 And people also use another word which is from Russian, кинотеатр. Кинотеатр. And it's quite common. This word is quite common in Tajikistan. So the cinema is almost empty. Синамо қариб холӣ буд. Синамо қариб холӣ буд. Theater. Театр. 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 So he loves going to the theater. Вай ба театр рафтанро дӯст медорад. Вай ба театр рафтанро дӯст медорад. Playground. майдончаи бозӣ. майдончаи бозӣ. майдончаи бозӣ. So go to the playground to play. барои бозӣ кардан ба майдончаи бозӣ равед. барои бозӣ кардан ба майдончаи бозӣ равед. Swimming pool. ҳавзи шиноварӣ. ҳавзи шиноварӣ. ҳавзи шиноварӣ. The swimming pool will reopen in May. моҳи май ҳавзи шиноварӣ аз нав ба кор медарояд. моҳи май ҳавзи шиноварӣ аз нав ба кор медарояд. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I know it's hard to learn a new language, so many questions, but just keep doing that. And remember that the most important things are consistency and practice when you are learning a new language or a new skill. Just keep doing that. You will find your own way and keep it up. So until next time, bye.